Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the lines we drew yesterday. As you can see, Nifty opened well above the area of the major sellers and was immediately sold off. As usual, let's go and delete all the lines that we had drawn and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame, Nifty is still bullish on a monthly time frame. Why am I saying it's bullish? Because as you can see, this is a swing low and this is a higher swing low. So this is a new base that the bulls have created, and until and unless this base is invalidated, even by a wick of a candle, the bias is still bullish. So important level is the area of big sellers, that's previous all-time high that has been tested today. Important support level is previous swing low, the area where bulls had set a new base back in August. Let's move on to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, I had not been sure of what the bias is, and I still am not sure because the weekly high had not been breached yesterday. So until it creates a lower high or a higher low, then we do not have a bias. So I'll leave it as it is. I do not have any important levels that I want to mark up on a weekly time frame. Moving on to the daily time frame, this is a very interesting scenario. This I would say I would call the Trump candle. This is one heck of a gap up scenario that was caused by a tweet from Trump and a follow-up one by Narendra Modi ji. It has been sold into, and this looks like where buyers have set in, but we need to find out. We'll know well tomorrow. But as you can see, there is a fair value gap scenario that has developed here from here to here. So you can see there's a fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap that has developed. So let's see if this fair value gap is respected tomorrow. If it opens anywhere in this gap, it may be bought into aggressively. But let's see if this candle is a one-off event or there's actually follow-up buying interest in the market. There could be follow-up buying interest in the market. I'm just checking if there's any important level that was respected as the base of this one. There's nothing I can find here. In fact, there was one flat top candle here that could have acted as a support here. That's on a daily time frame. Let me draw it with a thinner line. So this could have been the support that was taken today. I was just looking at what the support was. It's just a speculation. This was a flat top. Flat top are big sellers, and once that area is taken out, that when taken out means all that SLs would have been hit, and now it acts as a support. So that could have been the support that was taken. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, it was bearish. The daily, on the daily time frame, I had previously recorded a bearish bias. It is now not sure. If I go to a 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is also not sure. Why is it not sure? It was previously bearish because lower highs were being created. That high has been taken out. Now we're looking for higher lows, which needs a few more candles to actually show up. Are there any important levels to look out for? I do not see any. This is still the same. Going over to the 1-hour time frame. Again, I am not sure. I do not see. Hold on. This is a swing high and this is another swing high. So interestingly, hourly time frame has become bearish. In spite of this explosive up move, the 4-hour is not. 4-hour I do not have a bias for sure. 1-hour, this is a swing high and this is the adjacent swing high. So it is bearish on a hourly time frame. So let's see where it goes tomorrow. Very uncertain, not good enough to take directional trades right now. I would stay out of the market tomorrow and see where the market settles. That's all for now. Thank you very much. I am not a certified analyst and all this is just for educational purpose.